Imagine how much you'd save if you could run your car on water with just a little petrol added. An Auckland car enthusiast says he's found a way to do just that and has a working prototype to prove it.
It looks like a normal car and it drives like a normal car, but this Nissan is anything but.
Can you fill it up, please?
With
Water.
water? No, we can't sell water. We'll only sell petrol.
For the past 5 months, the car has run on a mix of petrol and water, creating an unusual byproduct. The steaming sedan is the brainchild of Graham Jenkins.
Everybody's always known that water will burn under the right circumstances.